So this is the second video of the IGTV series named Laws for Women. So in this video I'll be discussing the most important law which every girl, every woman of this country must be knowing. This is the section 100 of the IPC which lays down the right of private defense. Now the first and the foremost point over here is that your right of private defense extends up to the limit of causing the death of the assailant or the attacker. Now not in all the situations and all the conditions you can cause the death of the assailant or the attacker. There are certain 7 conditions laid down in this section, and out of these 7 I think 4 are the most important, which every girl and every woman needs to know because these pertain to women especially. So out of these 7, the 4 most important are: first is attempt to rape. Now if someone tries to attempt a rape with you, you can, and at that point, at that moment, you can kill the person or you can grievously hurt or injure the person just to escape the situation. Secondly, even if someone tries to put acid on your face or any other part of the body, even in that case you can grievously hurt, injure or kill the person. Third is, even if the person tries to kidnap you or abduct you or confine you, then also in that case also you can kill the person or grievously injure the person. The fourth one is, if someone gratifies his unnatural lust with you, even in that case you can just kill or grievously hurt or injure the person just to escape from the situation. Now these conditions, I think that these 4 situations every girl in this country needs to know, so that even if something happens with you, you can escape the situation by hurting or injuring the person grievously. And in those circumstances, in these circumstances, the law won't go against you. So I think that you all should know this, all the girls should know especially, and you should share the video with as many girls as you can, so that even if something happens, you can just fight these things like acid attack, escape from certain things like acid attack, rapes, etc. So please share the video as much as you can, so that it creates awareness among the girls and they take a stand for themselves. So I think this video was worth watching. Thanks a lot.